Hi there. So we're getting ready to head out for the day and it is pretty cold out. So I know we get a lot of questions about how do we dress ourselves and our babes when it is cold. And so I just wanted to give a quick idea of what you could do. So I have on a long sleeve sweater, a pretty thick sweater, leggings and booties. Elise is wearing boots, suspender tights, a long sleeve shirt, and cardigan and bonnet. It's a pretty thick knitted cardigan that she has on. And I will just button it before I put her in the sling. And then in addition to her bonnet, I will also put up her hood. Okay, here you go. You ready up? And then I just put her on in. Yes. Yes, we can go. There we go. And then if I wanted to, I could wrap this around. That's okay. And then I have my scarf that I can put on. And then just tuck it right down into this sling right here. Then I know you're sleepies. And then a hat and jacket. And if we wanted to, I could also add gloves to both her and I, but we're just going out for a quick trip and it's okay. But that is all. She's already nice and warm and cozy, and like I said, if I wanted to, I could add that additional extra warmth with the tail, tuck it in there, inside, just bundle you guys up. I hope that helps. Guys, stay warm.